Our experts are trained to quickly identify any heating issues and provide you with an immediate solution. During this time, we will complete a diagnostics test to identify the issue with your equipment. At Action Furnace, we have been providing high-quality furnace repairs in Edmonton, Calgary, and Red Deer since 1975. Once your diagnostics test has been completed, we will make recommendations for repair and alert you to any other findings. Our expert technicians take the time to thoroughly explain every recommendation. Whether it's a minor repair or a major system fix, we ensure you have the information needed to make the best decision for your home's comfort and safety. Our experienced technicians will work efficiently to repair your furnace as quickly as possible. Whether it's a minor fix or a more complex repair, we are committed to restoring your home's warmth without unnecessary delays. We'll keep you up to date throughout the repair process, explaining any component fixes, system cleanings, or other repair tasks we complete. Once the repair is finished, your technician will conduct a thorough system test to ensure everything is operating safely and efficiently, so you can enjoy reliable heating without worry. You can also rest easy knowing that if one of our furnace repairs should fail during the first heating season, we will repair it again absolutely free. We will also return 100% of your original investment because our repairs are always fixed right or it's free.